The reason you want to take care of a grinding issue is because you get premature wear of the teeth. Now, jaw joint pain, things like that, don't necessarily occur with grinding. They may or they may not. The main issue would be, in the absence of any jaw pain, would be to protect the bite, to protect the teeth. So we do make a hard splint sometimes. Also, we make certain types of retainers that have little kind of shelves on them, and they just prevent us from grinding our teeth or being able to even hurt ourselves. So it's just kind of keeping you from being able to do any harm to yourself. That's the idea.